Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about Lexus LX 600 Premium 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy Lexus LX 600 Premium 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. The 2023 Lexus LX 600 Premium is the latest model and was resealed in 2022. It is an SUV car, available in following colors. It will be available in atomic silver, caviar, eminent white pearl, manganese luster, and nori green pearl. Engine type, 3.5 liters V6 gas engine. Engine power, 409 horsepower. Fuel system, port/direct injection. Torque, 479 pounds-to-foot. Number of cylinder, 6. Transmission type, 10-speed automatic. Fuel type, hybrid. Drive type, all-wheel drive. Gearbox, 10-speed. Performance. Acceleration, 0 to 60 in 7 seconds. Mileage in city, 17 miles per gallon. Mileage on highway, 22 miles per gallon. Fuel capacity, 23 gallons. Feature: Wi-Fi hotspot, auxiliary audio input, HD radio, Bluetooth connection, satellite radio, smart device integration, MP3 player. Safety features: blind spot monitor, automatic parking, climate control, keyless entry, remote engine start, and remote trunk release. The safety features are backup camera, cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, ABS, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, and traction control. Expected price. Price in United States. Lexus LX 600 Premium 2023 price is $92,150 in United States of America. Price in Finland. Lexus LX 600 Premium 2023 price is €92,150 in Finland. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of Lexus LX 600 Premium 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.